I'm gonna show you how to create a perfect button in Figma. It's not a high or complex topic, but for a young or junior designer, it's look like maybe not a very good practice for them. So we will follow. It's not a rule or guideline because you can find those button in design system of big company, like they share their design system. So but for today, I have that I use something that I use for my buttons, and uh, this will be a very short video. So without wasting your time, let's create a beautiful button which will look very perfect, and you will know how to create these beautiful buttons. So I'm just you can start typing by just T to write your text. Get started. uh, so this you can just start directly by pressing F frame and then insert your text. So we will press Shift A, and now just give me a color to, we will give it a some, yeah, maybe something color like this. We will just follow that how the button should look like, for example width and height. This sometime become a complex for a young and junior designer. Okay, now there is a some companies and designer use general rules like double and single. Now let me rename it. I will show you what I mean by double and single. For example, this is a button. If I use padding for height and width from auto layout, it's also good. But if I use from this inside, then we can also create this. But double and single mean, for example, uh, if I'm going to use value here, for example 16, then I have to use 24. Now you can see it's now created a very beautiful button. You can normally see it's look very perfect now. This is a one way. Another way I mostly use for a beautiful button, I use not double, I use I mean a 1.5 value for width and full value for height. For example, this is 16 and here I will use 20. You can see 20, yeah. So this is my way normally I use. You can do it too. For example, I will create a new button again with another value so you get understand very well. Okay, for example, this is a text. Now as if I press F, sorry, Shift A for frame, then from here I can decide it's 56, yeah, 56. Now you can holding option or alt, you can see it's padding from right to left, etc. So you can see it's 10 10 edit. So it should be 10, leave it 10 from top and bottom, like we already set the value here for the height 56. Now for here I already know it's 10 from top and 10 from bottom. So what I can do, either I can use 20. Let me just give it a color so we can see it perfectly. Okay. Okay, there are two. You can use 20 for left and right padding. If you follow this method that I use mostly, you can use half of this. For example, here we have 10 10, so here we will have 1.5, it will be 15. Now you can see, but here you can see it's not looking good because we have a large text. Because I have I have a big screen. So if I come to this real button rules, for example, we will use a 16, a text of 16, and remove some letter spacing. And now if I do, okay, now let's see, it's looking bad because we have to set the value like double and single, or single or 1.5. For example, it's 18 18, now it's 15. Okay, 18 18, so if we use a double of it, it will be 36. Now let me fix it, so it will be 36. I can see it's already looking good. But if I said as I use half of it, so 36, maybe 18 18, you could use 30 or 32. I will use 30 for now. Maybe let me find a number for it, 28 or 30. Yeah, it's good now. uh, let me just make it a medium. Yeah, You can see already it's looking good. So there is also another way, but I use mostly the way like making giving a double number and giving a single number from top and double number from left to right. So this is how you can create a beautiful button. Now this is 56. Probably this will need a big text size. Let's handle it 17. Now it's already auto layout and it's handling it. Okay, now let's create a small button to practice it more. It's 56. Now let's create a 48 button size and make it a 16. Now let's see, it's 14, 14, 9, 20. Okay, now it's double. It's already looking good because it has double value on sides. Now let's do what I say, like 14 of half. Let me calculate it. 14 multiplied by 1.5, it's 21. You can see if I do another for this one is a 21, this will also look very well. Like, see, it's also looking good. So I'm sure this is a small tips that I use in my design. If you already have see, okay, let me see. For now we will not use this one because its value is perfect and well and good, but you already see text has a huge so here too. So you can practice on this one. Like you can see, um, we have all exact value what exactly I was about to tell you. This is you can see, and this one too, it's double and single. Now it's a single and one and a half. So you can practice this one. I hope you will like this and enjoy the video. Please subscribe and leave a comment on this video. I will improve my video for you and bring some things special and things that you will need. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you next time.